Sorry kuya. Oh, okay na siya pauwan dong. Wala problema. Ay, ganahan na siya. Nangandoy na siyang mauwan na. Nauwan na nagyud siya. Insado? Ah. Oh, kung nailamas, unsa may charge? Yes, hon. My husband is so happy because his wish is granted to be in the rain. Oh yeah, he's happy that he's in the rain because he don't need to take shower tonight. Hi guys, so good day to everyone. So today I'm here in a street market, so I'm buying some vegetables because we're going to I'm going to make a spring rolls. So I bought some carrots, onions, garlic, and luckily it's raining, but my husband is so happy because he wish is granted to be in the rain and no need for him to shower tonight. So because he's kinda lazy. So see you guys later. It's raining and it's raining actually.